Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So today I've got a little project I've been working on the last week or so. I had to wait for some supplies to come in, but I've been working on a little project for the last week, and I'll get the camera turned around and we'll show you what this little project was. Be right back. Well, here's the project I've been working on for the last week. Yeah, 3 green painted tins. Well, that's not the only thing I've done with these painted tins. As you can see, I've been hard at it with my 3D printer. So I'm probably going to set these up and use these at shows, maybe with the car. I don't know yet, but they are painted code 43 lime green like the Nova. And they've got that kind of that chrome look on the lids. So I made a little project here and I'll show you what they are. So we've got gas, we've got oil, and we've got H2O or water. So gas, oil, and water cans to display with the Nova. And I'm probably going to put some weight in these to weight them down so they don't blow over in the wind. But this has been the project the last week or so. I had to wait for some gold and some blue filament to come in. I didn't have any of that color. But this is printed on charcoal black for the background, and then the second nozzle I had with in this case red, and then gold, and then blue. So it's all printed in one print with the Prusa 3D printer. So there you have the project that I did over the last week or so. It's taken that long because I had to wait for filament to come in. So that was the latest 3D printer project. I hope you guys enjoyed that, and remember to like, share, and subscribe. And if you guys would like to make your own cans for your display for your car, hit me up and I can probably print you some labels like this. We could work out some sort of cost on it, but if you'd like to do something for your own project, hit me up and we'll see what we can do. So remember to like, share, and hit that subscribe button, and we'll talk to you guys on the next one. See you later. Bye now.